Punta Gorda police officers taking the stand, claiming there is plenty of blame to go around. This as their chief faces culpable negligence charge in a deadly shooting that happened on his watch last August. Mary Knowlton was accidentally shot with live rounds instead of blanks during a Citizens Police Academy. The officer who shot her, Lee Cole, will be standing trial next year on a manslaughter charge. 4 in Your Corner, Sam Sosa, live right now outside of the Charlotte County Courthouse. She has the very latest on the case. Sam.
Amy, today we hear testimony from people who worked with Chief Tom Lewis at the Punta Gorda Police Department. One says that they did check Mary Knowlton's simulation weapon that she used for that exercise, but no one checked Lee Cole's real revolver.
As your chief of police, I accept full responsibility for the actions of my department, my officers, and the bottom line is I am 100% accountable.
This statement made by Chief Tom Lewis last summer, written by the Punta Gorda Police Department's communication person, is what a jury heard today as Chief Tom Lewis battles culpable negligence charges.
Shoot, don't shoot scenario.
The state calling for people who work at the department to the stand, arguing Chief Lewis is responsible for the shooting death of 73-year-old librarian Mary Knowlton because he did not check the gun Lee Cole used when he shot her or assign an officer to do it. The state asking one of the officers if safety checks are normally done for any exercise involving guns.
Any training in relation with firearms should have some kind of safety check.
But Lewis' attorney says there's plenty of blame to go around. He says Lieutenant Katie Heck, communications person for the agency at the time, made the Citizens Academy itinerary and was responsible for staffing all necessary roles in the event, and she did not place someone as a designated safety officer. They also point out Heck gave Cole the bullets a month prior, thinking they were blanks.
My husband was pretty sure they were left over from several years ago in K-9, so I warned him that I thought they were kind of old, but he should just get them checked out and then he could use them for training.
The defense also argues Captain Jeffrey Woodard should have done more. He's seen here holding the simunition gun Mary Knowlton used. Woodard performed some safety checks before the drill.
Picked up a mask and I believe maybe a vest for him.
Because of this, the defense says it was reasonable for Chief Lewis to think Woodard was also checking Cole's gun.
You would agree with me that with all the safety checks you're doing and people are seeing there, that your conduct was consistent with somebody who appears to be doing the safety checks, correct?
Yes, sir.
The defense believes Cole himself should have checked his ammunition and should have never pointed the gun at Knowlton in the first place. But the prosecution argues, saying it's ultimately up to the chief to make sure no one assumes another officer performed the safety check.
Somebody should do the checking. I don't understand.
If everybody's responsible and assumes that somebody else checked, then doesn't the theory of everybody's a safety officer and no designation is needed kind of go to waste?
Yes, in a sense.
Now, the defense is arguing also that if Lee Cole knew that no one had checked his gun, he had the responsibility to speak up and let someone know that. The trial continues tomorrow. Fox 4 will bring you the latest. I'm live in Punta Gorda. Sam Sosa, Fox 4, in your corner.
All right.